Good evening, everyone. This is News at 5, and I am Ketaki, presenting the news from all over the world, brought to you by Vrittavani. Headlines for today are: the Supreme Court has ruled that the Sharad Pawar group can use the name Nationalist Congress Party, Sharad Chandra Pawar, and the man-blowing trumpet symbol for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Only 7 countries meet WHO air quality standards, shows the research by IQ Air, drawn from monitoring 30,000 stations around the world. Supreme Court has issued a notice to the centre seeking its reply to the pleas seeking a stay on CAA by April 8, 2024. PMPL workers have been on hunger strike in Pune, demanding an increase in the amount of gratuity. Aam Aadmi Party will not contest any seat in Maharashtra in upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Now, presenting the news in detail. The Supreme Court has ruled that the Sharad Pawar group can use the name Nationalist Congress Party, Sharad Chandra Pawar, and the man-blowing trumpet symbol for upcoming Lok Sabha elections. However, Ajit Pawar faction must publicly declare that their use of clock symbol is under dispute, pending the outcome of challenge made by Sharad Pawar group to Election Commission of India's decision recognizing Ajit Pawar's faction as the legitimate NCP. Out of 134 countries and regions, only 7 meet the WHO's limit for harmful tiny particles expelled from vehicles and industry. Pakistan, the most polluted country, has PM 2.5 level over 14 times higher than WHO standards. India, Tajikistan, and Burkina Faso follow closely behind. The survey was conducted by IQ Air, a Swiss air quality organization that draws data from more than 30,000 monitoring stations around the world. The most polluted urban area in the world last year was Begusarai in India. Supreme Court has issued a notice to the centre seeking its reply to the plea seeking a stay on CAA by April 8, 2024. After the centre notified the rules for implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act 2019, the Supreme Court was hearing a cluster of more than 200 petitions challenging the CAA implementation. The next hearing will be on April 9, 2024. The Solicitor General told the Supreme Court bench, headed by Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, and the newly notified citizenship law does not take away the citizenship of any person. For last 19 days, PMPL retired workers have been on hunger strike in Pune. They are demanding for increase in the amount of gratuity. 7th pay was declared in 2017, but the delay in its implementation has resulted in the problem. Hariram Mahare, a retired PMPL worker, expresses his frustration.
18 दिवसांपासून तुमचं हे उपोषण चालू आहे, तर तुमच्या काय मागण्या आहेत ते तुम्ही आम्हाला सांगू शकता का?
आमच्या मागण्या आहेत. मी उपोषणकर्ता हरितापिराम महाले बोलतोय. PMPL सेवानिवृत्त शेवट आम्ही 1/4/2017 पासून तो 2022ला तो 7वं वेतन आयोग लागू झालेला आहे. 7व्या आयोगाच्या नुसार आमच्या वेतन श्रेण्या आणि आमच्या ग्रॅज्युटीचा फरक मिळण्यासाठी आम्ही या ठिकाणी उपोषणाला बसलेलो आहेत.
Aam Aadmi Party will not contest any seats in Maharashtra. In upcoming Lok Sabha election, party will provide their support to India bloc candidates. Vijay Kumar told Indian Express that as per their agreement, they will contest from Punjab, Delhi, Goa and Gujarat only. The US confirms the death of top Hamas leader Marwan Issa, the deputy commander of Hamas's military wing. He was killed in an Israeli strike this month in central Gaza. Amid ongoing negotiations for a ceasefire deal between Israel and Hamas, Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has accepted President Biden's invitation to send a senior delegation to Washington. Raj Thackeray met Union Minister Amit Shah in the presence of Vinod Tawre in Delhi. Although nothing conclusive, rumors regarding the union of Manasseh and BJP have stirred up. Let us hear from Parth Kapole, senior journalist at Tarun Bharat, about the importance of the visit.
भाजप, मनसे आणि शिवसेना म्हणजे एकनाथ शिंदे हे सोबत असतील तर त्याचा मोठा फटका उद्धव ठाकरेंना बसू शकतो. तर भाजपने जी घोषणा केली आहे की लोकसभा निवडणुकीत स्वतःच्या 270 जागा हव्या आणि एनडीएच्या 400 जागा हव्या, त्याच्यामुळे अगदी छोट्यातल्या छोट्या पक्षासोबत सुद्धा जर तो पक्ष भाजप सोबत यायला तयार असेल, त्याच्यासोबत चर्चा करून त्याला एनडीए घेण्याचं काम भाजप सध्या करत आहे. आणि अमित शहा स्पष्ट म्हणाले होते जेव्हा जानेवारीमध्ये भाजपचं राष्ट्रीय अधिवेशन झालं, त्यांच्या भाषणात अमित शहा एक गोष्ट स्पष्ट म्हणाले होते की देशातले असे अनेक पक्ष आहेत जे भाजपसोबत राष्ट्रीय प्रवाहात येऊ इच्छित आहेत.
The Income Tax Department has established a dedicated control room to monitor and curb the misuse of money power. This proactive step has been taken ahead of elections. The Income Tax Department asked citizens to report foul activities. Citizens can lodge their complaints through phone calls, WhatsApp messages, and emails. They can visit the income tax website for further details. Karnataka team beats Dadra Nagar Haveli by 14-0 in Indian Senior Women's National Championship. Karnataka captain Kritika scored 4 goals and received the Player of the Match award for her performance. Matches are being held at Major Dhyanchand Hockey Stadium in Pimpri. Headlines for today are: the Supreme Court has ruled that the Sharad Pawar group can use the name Nationalist Congress Party, Sharad Chandra Pawar, and the man-blowing trumpet symbol for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Only 7 countries meet WHO air quality standards, shows the research by IQ Air drawn from monitoring 30,000 stations around the world. Supreme Court has issued a notice to the centre seeking its reply to the pleas seeking a stay on CAA by April 8, 2024. PMPL workers have been on hunger strike in Pune, demanding an increase in the amount of gratuity. Aam Aadmi Party will not contest any seat in Maharashtra in upcoming Lok Sabha elections.
Finally, I completed my board exams.
Oh great, how was the exam?
Fantastic.
So, what's the plan for holidays?
I've been studying hard this year, so I'm relaxing in the holidays.
You must have turned 18 this year. Did you apply for a voter ID?
No, sir. What's the last? I can do that later.
Don't you know we have our general election this year, which means you can participate as a voter.
I know, but what difference is my vote going to make?
Every single one of us must vote because in a well-functioning democracy, every vote is important.
But it takes time in voting card.
Yes, but you can still vote if you have your name in the voting list.
Seriously? How can I apply for a voting card?
You must fill an online form on the Election Commission website. You can also apply offline in the Electoral Registration Office.
That's an easy process. Does it need anything else?
Yes, you must provide passport size photograph. Identity proof can be your Aadhaar or PAN card. Residence proof